Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Travel, the channel where it's all about motorbike travel and adventure. Today I want to show you my super small, lightweight kitchen setup. It's all in there, right after this. I don't know about you, but I really like to stop somewhere nice, get my camping cooking gear out and make myself a nice cup of coffee or maybe something to eat. Most of us carry this kind of gear with us. We have our pots and pans, a big stove and then some sort of fuel cartridge with us just to keep that stuff running. Now I like to keep some cooking gear permanently in my panniers and I was looking for something small. And I just found it. And here it is in my little red bag. A stove and a pot. Let me show you. That's the stove. It's a Flatpack solid fuel little wood burner. You get them dead cheap on eBay. I bought that for 15 quid. It's from a company called Lixada. It's basically a copy of whatever's out there at this moment in time. But I have to tell you, I really like this piece. When it comes to pots, this takes the biscuit. It's called the Bare Bowl Cook Pot. And I'll show you later. Let's go back to that camping stove. It really is a very basic setup. The dimension is 7¼ inches by 7¼ inches roughly. And what you have is, you have the folded unit. I'll show you. Easy to set up. And it comes with a grate who goes on the bottom. So you have a perfect airflow from the bottom. And this one goes 3/4 up, where you can put, if you want to, a little Tangia burner in it. So you've seen it all before, but I put it together anyway because I think it's absolutely marvelous for the price, £15. So all you have to do is fold it together. Let's do the one on the bottom first. So you put that in. Then all you have to do is this goes in here and it's built. Perfect. On top of that you have this little trinket where you can put, let's see if I get that the right way around. Yep. And you can put your pot on this. So I think you can't ask for more. Basic metal constructions, stainless steel, no really fancy things on it to control the airflow or whatever, but be honest, I mean, you're not planning to cook a 3-course Sunday dinner on it. You know, put it up, put some twigs in there and up you go. Now if you want to use it with the Tangia one, all you have to do is put that further up in the notches. Close it up again. Job is done. Put your little Tangia burner in, light it, put that on top of it, and it's absolutely perfect. I tested it out, and what I really like is because of that little grit here, it actually diffuses the flame from the Tangia a little bit more, so you don't have just that central heat. So it works really well. When it comes to the weight, the stove, well, because it's stainless steel, it weighs 518 gram, what is just about 18 ounces, I think. So it's not the lightest, but in the same token, if you don't carry any fuel with you or you just have that little Tangia one, you know, that's virtually nothing. And keeping in mind, it's on the motorbike, so it doesn't really matter. The motorbike carries all the weight anyway. So let's put that to one side and talk about the pot. what I really like on this bear bowl is it folds open. It's just so cool. You know, you have a nice, hopefully you can see, you have a nice area where you can actually prepare food on it. Chopping up vegetables and stuff, so it keeps it nice and clean even when you put it on the ground, so you're not having all sorts of stuff really fall into your preparation area. If you are finished preparing and you want to use it as a pot, all you have to do is hold it up, fold it up. You always start with the side with the strap, because that will be your handle. Make sure it runs upwards. So take the sides in, push button, again side in, push button, and there you have it. How cool is that? Put that right on top, it fits perfect. Make your soup in it. So this is the small version, and that's about 1 liter. So, I mean, that makes at least 3 cups of coffee in one go if you go for the instant variety. So, let's put it all together. At the end of the day, when you're done with it and you empty, rinse it out, open the button, take a cloth or anything, wipe it off. It's non-stick, so you won't have any problems. And then all you have to do is fold it up again, strap around, tiny little pot, take this apart. After it's cold, all you have to do is take that out, fold that up again, put all the things together, back in the bag. Make sure you don't forget anything. And that is it. I mean, you have to admit, that is one little cool setup. When it comes to size, overall the packet size is 7¼ inches around and just about 1 inch high. I mean, let's face it, you can shove that anywhere in any bag on your motorbike. You don't even have to have big panniers. And you always have the little cook set with you. Guys, I put a link in the description below where I got it from. It's not an affiliate link, because I just basically put it out there so you can investigate a bit further. That's the packaging for the pot. It's the smallest one. It's called the baby bear. And then there's the mama bear, the papa bear, and they go all up until 3½ liters. So that is a proper big pot. Check them out. I highly recommend them because they really work well. And as I said, if I have the choice to carry with me this whole setup just to make myself a cup of coffee, or this, well, we all know who the winner is. Right guys, that is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the little video. Subscribe to my channel, that would be absolutely brilliant. I want to do more videos about gear now, all my camping gear. That's the new stuff, but I will go through everything I use, from my tents to my cots to my chairs to my sleeping bags to my main cooking gear. Everything I have on my trips, I will make a video about it so you know exactly what I'm doing. And I'm working on a packing list as well, what I will put on my website in a bit, but I'll let you know in time. Right guys, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. When you're out there on your motorbike, ride safe. Bye.